2017 Mazda 3. We're going to set the park brake into maintenance mode. So we're going to want to go and turn it on to the run position. So you're going to push the start button twice. We're going to push the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. We're going to push down on this. And at the same time, we will hit this start button 3 times. And you're going to hear the park brake. It's doing a thing. Now your little park brake light is on. Now you can go and service your rear brakes. You just push your piston in, you don't turn the caliper in. Okay, so then we can shut this off now. We'll just verify that it's in maintenance mode by the little P there. Perfect. Okay, and to get out of it, you're going to want to hit the start button so all the dummy lights come on. You're going to want to press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor, and you're going to want to pull up on the emergency brake. And then you want to shut it off and turn it right back on. Still holding everything. Now it's doing its thing. The little light goes out. You can release the accelerator pedal and the button. Once everything's done, you can verify that everything works. So we'll go and turn this on. It's on. We'll turn it off by pressing the brake and pushing down. Everything's good to go. Your light's off. And it's out of maintenance mode. Okay, thanks for watching.